The 2018 Dodge Challenger's well-being scores are blended and it does not have the absolute most progressive innovation. Short on cutting-edge well-being tech, the 2018 Dodge Challenger doesn't score especially well here. It's a 5-star generally speaking from the NHTSA, yet autonomous crash analyzers don't concur, and we're alarmed that Dodge doesn't offer programmed crisis braking as a choice. On our scale, that conveys the Challenger to a 4 out of 10. All Challengers come standard with 6 airbags, electronically monitored slowing mechanisms, strength control, and a rear-view camera. Standard on everything except the SXT, RT, and Demon is a backstop help framework. Blind side screens, forward impact alerts, and back cross movement admonitions are discretionary on relatively every rendition of the Challenger. The discretionary technology group accessible on numerous Challengers packages. Forward crash admonitions, programmed windshield wipers, programmed high bar headlights, and versatile voyage control. Programmed crisis braking isn't on the Challenger's alternatives list. The NHTSA scores this enormous car 5 stars generally speaking, though 4 stars for frontal crash and 4 stars for rollover. The IIHS, in the interim, doesn't have an incredible same solid impression. The protection business financed Gather blames the Challenger in the little cover test, where it wins a negligible score. It's additionally below average in the rooftop quality test, where it scores satisfactory. The IIHS has not yet tried the Challenger's headlights. What we like about it is verifiable swagger, profundity and broadness of lineup, an industrial facility hot rod, an all-wheel drive visiting auto, a corner-cutting games auto. What we don't like is light on security tech, not so sharp to drive as a few contenders, starting to truly demonstrate its age, still rather full. What's maybe most great about the broadness of the Challenger's lineup is its profundity. Indeed, even V6 models give not too bad excites and upwards of 30 mpg. In addition to an ample, agreeable lodge that can be equipped with dressy Napa cowhide and up to 18 Harman Kardon speakers. Generally, they're tranquil and made on the expressway and can hold their own, particular when the street gets twisty. Despite the fact that control weights top 4,000 pounds for everything except the base SXT, the Challenger corners well with not too bad street criticism. While its Chevy Camaro and Ford Mustang rivals have shed weight and subdued Germany's celebrated around the world Nürburgring with an end goal to be genuine American games autos, the Challenger gladly waves its stars and stripes boasting on its sleeve.